Ready?
Go.
Where is baby? What's that?
Cockatoo.
A cockatoo, she says. Where is baby?
I'm going to chair and I'll eat it.
Eating his cereal, isn't he? On the chair, that's right. It must be morning time. Look, there's the cockatoo in his drink cup. Where is baby?
Under the blanket.
Under the blanket with Doobie. Peekaboo. Good girl. Where is baby?
And then the frog.
Yeah, they're going for a train ride in boxes, aren't they?
And the frog.
Yeah. Where is baby? Playing a game.
Under the chair.
Around the chair. Peekaboo. I see cockatoo. And look, what's this?
Okay.
And what are these?
Apples and that.
Yeah, they're blocks, aren't they? Good girl. And what's this?
Ball.
Cador, isn't it? Ball. Yep. Where is baby?
And looking in a derby.
Looking for Doobie in the pots and pans, isn't he? Oh dear. Where is baby?
And the frog and the frog.
They're fast asleep.
There's the frog.
Yeah, snuggled in bed. Look, he's resting his head on a pillow. And that's the end of Where's Baby. Okay, go and get a spot book if you want.
But
Or another book.